Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about Walgreens summer merchandise going 80%. That is both online and in store. Wow. So we're just going to go through some of my favorite hits and will this go 90? We'll address that also in a quick second. So it's a lot of like squishmallows, the buncho balloons, pool floaties, and those little potted plants. I noticed a lot of stores had an abundancy of it. So if this is the sort of stuff, if you have extra Walgreens cash, register rewards, I would go in store just to ensure you get exactly what you want. So right now, which is the second, it is 80% off. If you look at an item that was $5, it's now $1. If you look at an item that's $10, it's now $2. So whatever the dollar's worth, you're paying 20 cents on that because 80% of it is gone. Hopefully that helps. And then my prediction is that next Tuesday, I think it's going to go 90 because that's exactly what happened last year. This was last year's sign, 90% off, and it started on the 9th last year. So I think they did it on a Wednesday. So if some of these prices are still too much, because you know what, if you get a lot of stuff 80% off, it still adds up. 90 is definitely the way to go. So in this video, we're just going to look online, some of the best price points that I'm finding. Like this thing, for example, imagine getting it for $2.50. I'd rather get it for that than $5. And I'm in Texas this morning because I didn't want to dox my exact location for safety reasons, of course. $2.09 for the buncho balloons. I would much rather pay $1. So you have to budget, do you really need this for next year or could you wait a week? Is there a lot of couponers in your area? If you have like so many kids, is it worth going to get right now? And I would also check for a curbside pickup. Just type in summer clearance, because my thing is, I think that some stores even packed up their summer stuff already. So if there's nothing left, is it really worth the trip to the store? So you can do that in the app. Just in the search bar, type in summer clearance and see what populates. These absolutely adorable squishmallows, if this is your thing, absolutely get to the store and look around. A lot of them, they had the Wizard of Oz line. They had spring and summer squishmallows. I think even maybe some from Valentine's Day might be mixed in there. So this is a huge category, but I'd like to get it for 90. So, if you have a couple kids' birthdays, you might want to grab them, especially if you'd like to buy items like items for nieces or nephews. I always do that sort of thing. Lots of items by this company called Zuru. This is a robotic swimming turtle. They had one that was a fish. Wouldn't that be adorable to put it in the bathtub for your cats just to see what they would do? I think they would find that really, really fun, harmless little game. And then we have a lot of bubbles, goggles. Sometimes they even have like baby stuff included as well, like little swaddlers or things for babies. You might want to check that out and then ask for price checks. It is completely free to grab an item and ask for a price check. So don't be shy to do that. And just remember that if you are going to be buying like 5 of these little tykes pool floaty things, they take up a ton of space. So just because something's on clearance or a sale, you don't need 5 or 10 of them. I often see new couponers like fill up 7 carts, and I'm like, what are you doing with like 7 million goggles? So just what do I need, or like what do I specifically need for my family? That has to go through your mind. Sometimes in the mix, there are some name brand toys, like this Play-Doh. In the past, there's those little balls with little mystery surprises in as well. So again, don't be shy to grab a couple items, go to photo, ask for a price check if it's not too busy. Usually this morning it is pretty busy in the store. I thought these would be really adorable to throw in the base of a stocking. They're called flarps, so it's sort of a noise putty thing. There's 4 of them, so that would be like one per kid. And 4 of them, you can do a lot with that. I had no idea it was only $2.99. Like, what a great price point. So for 59 cents, that's even better. Lots of these bubbles, they tend to not sell out for whatever reason. So if you were going to wait till next week, if it goes 90, and the 90 for next week isn't a given, but just trending on last year's patterns, I have a gut feeling it'll go 90 next Tuesday, but we'll have to wait and see. Lots of these little paper planters as well. I know a lot of you are really fantastic with gardening. Other gardening resources like the little tools and stuff. Definitely see, are those in clearance in my area? Yes or no? Lots of these cute little pool floaties too are part of it, along with the pools. And a lot of these items, if you have like a whole bunch of them, they do take a lot of room, so just be really mindful of that. I had a friend that had like 50 of these. So yeah, she ended up giving a lot of them away this summer. I think this is so cute. It's a kinetic sand cookie box set play kit. This would make a really cute even like Christmas gift if you could track it down, if kinetic sand is a thing that your child, grandchild, niece, nephew loves. What's not included, I've noticed this morning, are these larger fans. They are still full price. However, your region, it might be on clearance, it might not be. But I know that sometimes this is one item that people just clear really quickly. The smaller handhelds are part of it though, so go and figure that one out. Sometimes your local manager might change everything in the system on the spot, so it might be included, but this one location wasn't. But I noticed a couple stores' fans were not part of it. If you want to put in a curbside order, that's also completely possible. That adorable large Squishmallow, $4.99, Hello Kitty for $2.59. They're the smaller 8-inchers. And that little Peanuts 8-inch Squishmallow, also super adorable for $2.59. So you could definitely put in a curbside order, especially if you were seeing this video and you're at work and you're like, I want to get in on some of this at 80% off. But if you go to the store, you have more of an opportunity to use register rewards. Curbside, you can only use Walgreens cash, but yeah, still fantastic either way. Get out there, guys, and go and make this happen, especially if there's an item you've had your eye on all summer. Alternatively, I have a feeling next week it's going to go 90, but Aunt Rach also might be wrong. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.